out today. I have a special guest, Michaela. She's my beautiful niece. You guys have seen her in a lot of my vlogs on this channel and a few videos. So today, Michaela here is going to be helping me pick out my makeup. So she's going to pick out the makeup that I'm going to wear, and then I'll film a little tutorial for you guys. Alright guys, so my niece did a pretty good job at picking out my makeup. I like most of the things she picked out. I actually haven't tried out this Tarte Ready Set Radiant, so this was one of the products she picked out, as you guys will definitely see in the video, but I haven't tried it out, so let's see how this goes. I've actually already applied my serums, my moisturizer, eyeshadow primer, and then I've already done my eyebrows, so I got that out of the way. So next thing we're gonna start off with is eyeshadow. But before that, I am filming right in front of her crib. I'm filming in her room. So I did come over to my sister's house. With the permission of Michaela, I was able to film right here. So hope you guys enjoy this little change of scenery. For the eyeshadow palette, my niece picked out this one here. This one is from Tarte and Aspen Overd. It is this beautiful, beautiful neutrals palette here. It has a blush and a highlight, but we are picking out other blushes and highlights for this video. But yeah, we're gonna be doing somewhat of a natural look from what my niece picked out. So I'm just applying the shade Married Life, this one right here. I'm just applying it all over my lid and then going in with a darker shade. Alright, so my crease shade is gonna be this one here, Tea Time, this like light brown right there. And I'm just gonna apply that all over my crease and then drag it down to my lid. I feel like my niece did a good job at picking out the different makeup products because she was on a roll. She just like crawled right up to the product that she wanted and she knew which one she wanted. Except for like maybe one or two where she was a little indecisive. But for the most part, she did a really good job. And then I'm just gonna grab with my finger this one here, the Endless Summer, that one right there, and just apply that all over my lid. That shade is beautiful. You don't even need like Fix Plus or anything. It's really, really nice. Finish up our eye look, we're putting on just mascara, no falsies, and my niece picked this one from L'Oreal. I absolutely love this mascara. It is my absolute favorite drugstore mascara that's out there. I think L'Oreal did an amazing job because your lashes look like you're wearing falsies when you're not with this mascara. I mean, look at the difference. That's a big difference. Next, Michaela picked out this primer, and it is the Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot Primer. One of my favorite drugstore primers that is out there. Foundation, as you guys saw, Michaela picked out the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, and this one might not match my neck just because I think this one is lighter. I am still a little bit tan from my Cancun trip, so we'll just work with it. If we have to bronze up my face, we'll do that, but I only had one other foundation on there, which was the Makeup Forever HD foundation, the stick version, that actually matches me right now, but this one doesn't, but we'll work with it. See, yeah, that's gonna be really light, so I warned you guys. It is way too pale for me right now. Don't worry guys, we will fix it with some bronzer. Before we can bronze up our face, we're gonna be putting on the concealer. So let's see what concealer Michaela picked out. My niece knows me so well. I absolutely love the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I love this concealer. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add some powder on top of that. Alright, while we let that set, let's see what Michaela picked out as our bronzer. She picked out the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer in Sunkissed. So this one is a little dark for my skin tone, but we're gonna work with it and we're gonna bronze up our face since our foundation is way too light for me right now since I have that little itty bitty bitty bit of a tan. So Michaela picked out the Tarte blush in the color Feisty. Okay, blend that out. Love that blush. For a highlight, my niece picked out the Ofra highlight, and this one is in Rodeo Drive. Beautiful highlight right there. One of my favorites, and I actually picked this one up, as you guys can remember, from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, the last time they had it, so I still love this highlighter so much, so I was excited to see that she picked this one out. Like, look at that. Beautiful. What a blinding highlight, seriously. I love these lipsticks, and the one that she picked out I haven't worn in quite a bit, so I'm so excited to wear it again. And this one is from Palladio Beauty, and it is the collaboration with Casey Holmes. This one is in the color Rescue. So I think it's fitting with the outfit that I have on because it is more of a brown or darker shade than the rest of her collection. Wow, this color is so nice, and honestly it's gonna be like the perfect color to wear for fall. Like, I'm already all fall vibes with this like jacket that I have on right here, and I'm wearing black leggings and some gym shoes. So this color, that's gonna be my fall color, guys. You're gonna see in my vlogs, you're gonna see in the rest of my videos, I'm gonna be rocking this shade. I love it, and I love how it dries down. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Last but not least, Michaela picked out the setting spray from Tarte, like I showed you guys a little while ago, and it is the Ready Set Radiant Mist. I've never used it before, guys, so hopefully it works, and I'll let you guys know in the description bar if I liked it or not, but here we go. So this is the completed look, guys. I used all makeup that my niece picked out. My niece Michaela, she did an awesome job. She literally just crawled up to all the products, as you guys saw, and she did such a good job. I absolutely love her, and I'm so happy that she let me record in her room. So nice of her. And I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video from me, and hit that notification bell down below so that it can notify you when all of my videos go up, because you already know how YouTube is. Sometimes it's a little iffy and won't send out notifications when people's videos go up. So hit that notification bell and you don't have to worry about it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!